Hello everyone. There is a happy news for candidates studying under distance education of Bharatiya University. Exam notification, online portal registration and instructions is announced in the university website. In this video, I'll give full instructions about the registration of examination application on online portal, and also I'll talk about the general instructions to be followed by STE candidates while applying for the examinations. Before that, I'm Dr. Rekha and I make videos related to education. If you are new to my channel, then hit the red subscribe button and bell icon to see the first one when I upload anything new. So distance education candidates, you are in the right place to know more about the distance education examinations under Bharatiya University. Watch till the end without skipping because each and everything which I am going to say is very important while filling the online portal registration for the exam application. Distance education examinations is going to be held during December 2021. Exam is going to be conducted for all UG, PG, MCA, MBA, Executive MBA, B.Ed, M.Ed and PG diploma. So the exam is going to be held during the month of December 2021. You have to pay the exam fees by registering the online application form which is given in the university website. The direct link I have given in the description, you can check it. Time is very limited to fill the online application form. The last date for the receipt of the filled application form is 26th November 2021. Before applying for the exam, you have to confirm that you have no due in the tuition fees because the examination application will be considered only if the tuition fees have been remitted in fully. Well, distance education examination is going to start from 20th December 2021. In the instruction, university have not mentioned whether the exam is online or offline, but it is mentioned that change of examination centers will not be entertained under any circumstances. And also it is mentioned that candidates possessing hall ticket and identity card will be permitted to take up the examinations. So the examination hall ticket shall be downloaded in the university website 3 days before the commencement of the examinations. From this point we can understand that the exam will be conducted through offline mode. If the candidates is going to write the exam for the first time, that is the first year students, they have to submit the exam application and they have to pay the fees for all the subjects. So first year students, even though if you are not willing to write any of the subject, you have to pay fees for all the subject. Only those candidates are eligible to attend the exam if they have applied through online registration portal. So candidates, remember, it's very important to register the online application form. In the instruction, it is mentioned that sending of hard copy of exam application and DD or challan directly to the university are strictly prohibited. So remember that you should not send the application to the university. You shall keep this copy for your reference. Once again, I'll repeat, the last date for the receipt of filled application is 26th November 2021. Next, let's see how to register exam application on online portal. First step is to verify your register number and create a login ID and password. When you click online registration, the first window will be new user registrations. In this, first you have to give your register number or enrollment number. Then you have to click check me box. Your name with your address will be visible. If you are new user, you have to give your email ID, password, then again you have to type password and then you have to select a secret question. The given secret questions are: what is your first school, what is your hobby, who is your best friend, what is your favorite food. So you can select any of the secret questions and then you have to give secret answer, and remember that you should never forget this answer. Whenever if you are not able to log in, this secret question and answer will help you to recover the forgotten password. And finally you have to click register me. Once you have registered, the next step is to sign in. You can sign in the online portal by using the username, that is your email ID and password. In the next page it shows personal information, then your examination center and the subjects which are going to appear. All the subjects will be already given tick mark. You can remove the tick mark to the subject which are not going to appear. Anyway, you should select all the current year subjects. Go through the personal information is correct or not, and if you want to make any changes, then you can overwrite it. So check your name, address, mobile number, pin code, email ID, course, study center and exam center. Before clicking the submit button, you have to check whether all the subjects which you are going to write is locked, and also you have to check the fees details. And then you can click submit button to confirm your examination application. Next step is to confirm the fees details. Before making payment, you can check your register number, enrollment number, name of the student, study center, course, mobile number, email ID, examination center, and the total exam fees to be paid. If you are confirmed to register, then you can click make payment button. For online payment, you can use NEFT, debit card, credit card and UPI. After making the payment, your registration will be completed successfully. Well, in the next page, registration details will be given. You can download your application by clicking the print application button. So it's very important to take the printout copy of your application form for your future reference. Well, after downloading the application form, you can sign out to complete your registration. So candidates, the direct link to register the online application form is given inside the description. And remember that last date to register the online application form is 26th November 2021, and well, the hard copy of the application form or the receipt of the DD or challan should not be sent to the university. Next is the timetable for the examination will be uploaded in the university website within shortly. Well, the practical examinations will be commenced only after the completion of theory examinations. So the schedule for the practical examinations and the name of Center for Practical Examinations will be intimated later in university website. So candidates, while applying for the examination, you have to check your code number and title of subjects which you are going to appear. Hope this video is very useful for you, and you can share this video to your friends also. If you have any doubts, I would love to know, and I look forward to seeing you in the comment section. For receiving latest updates, you can follow my Instagram and Telegram. Link I have given in the description. Wish you all the best for your examinations. Thanks for watching.